Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vanilla meringue cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: 4 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's crucial to ensure your mixing bowl and whisk attachments are impeccably clean and grease-free. This step is vital for achieving the perfect meringue. Also, preheat your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit now, so it's ready for baking. Now let's create the perfect meringue base. Begin by beating your egg whites on medium speed until soft peaks form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, gradually add the granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuously beating. Increase the mixer speed to high and continue beating for another 5 to 7 minutes until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. Finally, gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and taste. With your meringue ready, it's time to shape and bake these delightful treats. First, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This ensures easy removal and cleanup. Carefully transfer your meringue mixture into a piping bag fitted with your preferred tip. Now, pipe small, uniform cookies onto the prepared baking sheet, remembering to leave a little space between each one. Bake them for 1 hour, then turn off the oven and let them cool inside for an additional 60 minutes. The cooling process is just as important as baking for perfect meringue cookies. Allow them to cool completely inside the turned-off oven for about 1 hour. This slow cooling prevents any cracking and ensures they develop that wonderfully crisp texture throughout. Once fully cooled, you can gently remove the cookies from the parchment paper. For optimal freshness, store your delicious vanilla meringue cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.